So next one is about the um, Arenicola. Arenicola is belonging to Polychaetae. It's a Polychaetae worm, and it is commonly called legworm. It's a sedentary worm, live in sandy or muddy beaches. Okay, and it form a small burrow, J-shaped burrow, and they live in that burrow. And the head, you can see in this image, this is their head region, and it consists of three region: head region or anterior region contain 7 segments. This anterior region contains 7 segments. Okay, and the tentacles are absent. And this anterior region consists of 7 segments bearing small ketaes. Cetaes are there, and tentacles are absent. And the prostomium, you can okay, prostomium is fused with the peristomium. Okay, prostomium is fused with the, not this one, prostomium is fused with the peristomium. That means prostomium is small flap like structure. It is fused with the first segment. Okay, there is no distinct prostomium or peristomium like the nereis. Okay, in case of nereis, you know that the prostomium and peristomium is separate, but in case of this Arenicola, this is fused. The first segment and the flap-like structure is fused in the anterior region, and there is no tentacle. Only some small key CTs are present. Okay, and the middle region, it contains 13 segments are there. 13 segments. Okay, with the gills. These structures are gills. All these middle 13 segments possess gills as well as setae, and posterior region consists of uh, some segments. Okay, several segments are there. Without gills, there will be no gills or setae. Actually, lack of gills and setae in the posterior segment. And the last segment bear anus. So this is about the Arenicola. Arenicola is a sedentary worm inhabit in beach, sandy or muddy beach. It contains 3 regions: anterior region with 7 segments, middle region with 13 segments, and posterior region with several segments. Okay, then which feeds on detritus, microorganisms, etc. Then Arenicola inhabit in J-shaped burrows. Okay, and this is their posterior region. Okay, and this is the open end also, and the blind end, that means this one constantly filled with the water. Okay, and through the water there are so many planktons or small microbes will enter through this water, and they will feed on that microbes, etc. And they respire through their gills. Okay, and these gills are bathed in this water so they can respire. Okay, and some organic particle enter along with the water current, and which will be trapped by their sand and will be eaten by the worm. That means the microorganism present in the water will be eaten by the worm. Okay, so the muscular movement of the body will draw water flow inwards. Okay, so the movement of body allow water to enter into the burrow, and it will help in the worm to breathe as well as to feed. Okay, this is about Arenicola. So Arenicola is a common worm, lugworm. It's a sedentary worm found in muddy or sandy beach, lives in J-shaped burrows, and it consists of three region: anterior region, middle region, posterior region. Anterior is with 7 segment, middle region is with 13 segments, and posterior there are several segments are there, and there is no gills and setae on the posterior region. Gills are mainly present in middle region, middle 13 segment, and anus is present in last segment, and they actually feed on microorganisms and detritus. Okay, that's it.